How to clear cache in Reelshot app. Is Reelshot running slow? Clearing the app's cache can free up space and improve performance. This guide will show you how to quickly clear the cache to ensure a smooth editing experience. From Reelshot's main project screen, look for the settings icon, usually a gear icon, in a corner. Tap on this to open the app's main settings menu. Tap on this to open the app's main settings menu. Within the settings menu, scroll through the options until you find a section related to storage, data, or a direct clear cache button. This option helps you manage the temporary data stored by the app. Click on it if available. Tap on the clear cache button. A confirmation will pop up, asking if you're sure. Confirm by tapping yes or OK. The app will then clear its temporary data. This action won't delete your projects, so your work is safe. Your Reelshot app should now feel faster and more responsive. You've successfully cleared the cache in Reelshot app. Boost your performance and get back to editing. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot troubleshooting tips.